If you already have a solid lesson, the challenge usually isn't building it, it's redesigning it into multiple formats. That alone can take 20 to 30 minutes of searching and adapting, and we can compress that. Here's the objective. The task is straightforward. Students make a claim. They use two pieces of evidence. Then they explain how that evidence supports their claim. That structure does not change because if the objective shifts, the task shifts. Before generating anything, I'm going to lock in the constraints. The objective stays the same. Students still use two pieces of evidence, and they still explain how that evidence supports their claim. I'm also going to include one lower level version on purpose so we can see what doesn't meet the standard. Copilot will generate the options. My job is to check them against the objective. Let's see what Copilot produces. I'm not looking for creativity here. I'm checking whether the structure still protects the objective. As I scan these options, I'm asking three questions. Do students still construct a claim? Do they still use two pieces of textual evidence? Do they still explain how that evidence supports their position? If all three are true, the format works. This option changes the task. Instead of constructing an argument, students are selecting evidence from a list. That lowers the cognitive demand and it no longer matches the objective, so we don't use it. These formats work because students still construct reasoning and explain their evidence. The structure changes, but the rigor does not. If you want task variety without rebuilding from scratch, use this pattern. State the objective, define constraints, generate options, and filter for alignment. Same objective, same evidence.